Hey, what's up? This is Saurabh Mathur, and in this video I'll be telling you how you can make up to $100 on YouTube without making videos. So if you're new to this channel is all about make money online, where I give my tips and strategies to build a successful business online. So please make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Now coming back to the topic as to how you can make up to $100 on YouTube without making any videos. So basically in this video I am going to give you my strategy as to what you have to do in order to make that money. Okay, the very first thing which you have to do is to select a niche for your YouTube channel. So basically you need to pick up a niche that has got a lot many offers in it, and there is no better place than ClickBank to find out what all different offers are available in different niches. So first thing you have to do is to go to clickbank.com and create a free account over here. So once you have created into account, then you need to go into marketplace just there on the top, and then you will end up on this page. So on this page on the left hand side you will see different categories. So these are the different niches, and all these categories have got different products in it which you can promote. Now we can pick up any of the available niches from the left hand side. So let's say we picked up a travel niche, so we need to create a new YouTube channel in travel niche, and let's see, we want to promote this particular offer. Let's pick up one offer to promote. Let's go with this get free flights with travel hacking. Let's say we have to promote this particular offer. It's a flyfreeacademy.com. Okay. How you can promote this particular offer? So you need to create videos for your YouTube channel. So I'm not asking you to record your own videos. What you have to do, just go on a website called wave.video. You will end up on this particular page. Using this website, you can create videos for free. So they have got various built-in video templates. As our niche was travel, so we can go into travel, and here you can see there are different video templates which are available for you, and you can just download these templates and you can just compile these, all of them, and create a 2 or a 3 minute video. So this is one way you can just use these templates, download them, compile them on your computer and upload it on YouTube. And once you have created your video and uploaded on YouTube, what you have to do, you need to go in the travel niche and you can open up any of the video, and now what you have to do, you need to put a meaningful comment on these videos. So you are not going to spam the comment section using your affiliate links. So what you will be telling in this video, hey, I like your video, I've got a similar channel, you can check out my videos, and so on, thank you. So that's how you need to put a comment in YouTube. So you can put the comments on 3 to 5 videos every day. So that will help you to grow your YouTube channel as well. So I hope this blueprint is clear to you, and using this blueprint you can earn up to $100 on YouTube without recording your own videos. So I hope you found some value out of this video. If you found some value, please make sure to like this video, and if you want to check out my #1 method to make money online, it is in the links down below. You can go ahead and check it out. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.